Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Math 30-2 Midterm Review. Question number 1. Represent these sets in a Venn diagram. U, the universal set, the days of the week. Set A, the days you go to school. Set B, the days of the weekend. Set C, the days of the week that begin with the letter T. So, let's look at the Venn diagram. Oh, sorry. Down below here. So the Venn diagram will go like this. There's the universal set U. Now, A are the days you go to school. So that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So that's set A. Set B, days of the weekend. Saturday, Sunday. Set B. And then set C, days of the week that begin with the letter T. Okay, and there we go. And note there's nothing outside A, B, and C. There's nothing left over. Now, list a pair of disjointed subsets in part A, if any. So, disjointed subsets, well, there are none. Subset means to be part of something. Disjointed means nothing in common. So this is just something to test your vocab. C is a subset of A. Now, we can say C is not a subset of B, but I think that's just badly worded to confuse you. Now, better definitions for you to try. Is each statement true or false? Explain. Well, the first one here is A a subset of B. Go back to our Venn diagram. Is A a subset of B? No. It's the Venn diagram. Now, I could say that, or I could also say, point out that A union B is an empty set. That might be a better way to say it. Because I don't like saying yes, C, so C, the Venn diagram, because that's kind of, well, gets rid of the Venn diagram or just getting lazy now. Is C a subset of A? Well, yes, it is. We talked about See here, Tuesday, Thursday is part of the bigger set A. Yes. Subset. Now, the third one, A prime is equal to B. Yes. Not a weekday. So school day. School day. This weekend. And finally, number of days in A plus number of days in B plus number of days in C equals numbers in the universal set. No. Because of this overlap or subset, it should be NA plus NB plus NC minus the overlap, which would be A C. Okay. Moving on. Aaron surveyed 35 students about their favorite fruit. She recorded her results. Favorite fruit, number of students. Oranges, apples, neither oranges nor apples. First things first. Draw and label a Venn diagram to represent the data. Okay. apples is 14. Orange is 26, and I don't know the orange here. Actually, I can do it. I can do orange here. 26, and then neither oranges nor apples, either way, is 8. So, this should be 14 minus 8, which is 6. 26 minus 8, which is 18. Don't forget the both. Oh, sorry. That's a mistake. My bad. Sorry. I apologize for that. Neither above is 8. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. I'm sorry, guys. And of course, you're doing this in pen, so I've got to give you a minute to go back and fix it. Should always do these notes in pencils. Anyway, so here's the problem. The overlap is going to be x. So this is 14 minus x. This is going to be 26 minus x. So how do we do that? Now, 2 ways. Apples only plus oranges only plus both plus neither equals total. I haven't got the space for that, so I'm going to cheat. Apples is 14, oranges is 26, neither is 8 for a total of 10. And 18 to 148. How many students did we count? 35. So it's greater than 35. How much greater? Now, let's review. You're supposed to know this. 13. So x is 13. So this is 14 minus 13, which is 1. 26 minus 13, which is 13. Okay. So far, so good. Now, double check my math. That's how it goes. Now, determine how many students like oranges or apples. Oranges and apples. So that's the union of. So that's 1 plus 15 plus 15, which is 7. I'll find out that is number of apples plus number of oranges plus number of oranges intersect apples. Now, how many liked oranges only? Number of oranges less apples is 13. Number of liked apples less oranges is 1. So that's how you write apple only. So that's how you would write apple only. Apples less oranges. Okay. So describe 2 sets A and B to which each of the following formulas would apply. Number union of A and B equals number of A and number of B. So this is no overlap. Or you could use mutually exclusive. Or disjointed. There's all sorts. My first start is number spades and hearts for clubs. Number spades, number hearts. Because you're not going to get a card that's a spade and heart. On the other hand, when you have this, you have overlap. They're not mutually exclusive. So this would be number of hearts and aces. Number of hearts plus number of aces times number of hearts that are aces. So you have 13 hearts, 4 aces, but you got 1 heart, it's an ace. Okay, now if we do the Bedford Venn diagram, there's 13 hearts, regular, 1 ace, 4 aces, but 3 of them, so 1 of them is a heart, 1 is not. 3 are not. Or copy. Okay. Now I'm going to pause the recording here. We have one more question. Come back, and we'll look at the last question. 3 ring Venn diagrams. Any questions? Shoot me an email. Otherwise, good luck. Keep on going.